Go subscribe to my backup channel just in case this one gets deleted. Enjoy.
Wanna oil up? Let's hang. Send.
Man, what the fuck is this message? Yo, what the fuck? You like wieners?
And I got the average size Pringle can. I'm not gonna bottom out.
Chase, is that you?
Upside down, I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with you.
Pocket sand. The money go with Allo. Smoking on gelato. Foreign car swerving Palo. Bad bitch.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down, pimp in this.
Are actually standing on the Great Wall of China.
Just think, thousands of years ago, the emperor could have stood right here, leaned out over the edge of the wall, and yelled,
I ain't even gonna lie. You look like you can pick me up. I've been staring at you. You look real strong.
I ain't that strong.
I mean, would you try? Huh? Would you?
The left side of the train onto the center platform chain.
Skibbity, skibbity, ah, skibbity, ah!
Don't mess with the Zilla! Obey the Zilla! Buzzilla! Dino Destruct!
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Swalla la la.
As you can see, the young white fellow flies into the water. He knows they won't follow him there.
Don't mess with the Zilla! Obey the Zilla! Buzzilla! Dino Destruction!
Dinosaurs actually sound alike, and the last one's the scariest. This is the Dilophosaurus.
Realize Jippy just got the wit of the tickets back down there at them avenues, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, that you never knew. Jippy, my not all the twos, finna let's not forget my leg and the
Are you guys enjoying this video? Feel free to hit the like button or subscribe. Enjoy.
I just woke up, bro. Literally from the jacuzzi, bro. Nobody made it to the bed for it. Oh, look at the birthday. Oh, what the this is okay.
I'll take one more last look around this beautiful world before saying my goodbyes to it. Damn you, Nick!
Pablo.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Este comentario me acuerda de una mujer que yo tenía, que se me murió de... Coño, ya empezó las notificaciones. No jodas. Pues sí, este comentario me
Pablo.
Happy birthday, dear Christopher. Happy birthday.
Always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. What I'm sipping, I can.
Heck. Wow. Huh? What's that, babe? I can't leave. I can't leave. Just pause it. I can try. Wait. It worked?
The fuck said that shit?
Is this it?
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Me encanta esta vaina.
El que quiera perder su tiempo que lo pierda.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.